fine day everybody to watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can add Polygon in Metamask, and Polygon is also known as Matic and it runs on the Ethereum network. So basically it was developed to solve the Ethereum layer 2 problem. You might think, what is this technical stuff? Well, you guys don't have to know about this technical stuff. I just wanted to say to you guys to make it clear that what we are doing, alright? So if you don't understand it, don't need to panic. I will explain to you guys how you guys can add Polygon in Metamask. Now, for those people who do not know Metamask, Metamask is a crypto storing wallet which runs on the Ethereum network. So I said Ethereum network, but by default, it's going to be on the Ethereum network. If you want to change it, you can change it as well. But if you want to run it on the Ethereum network, a fair warning, Ethereum network charges you a lot of gas fee. So let's say you want to, transfer $10 Ethereum, it's going to charge you $50 as a transfer fee. That's what gas fee is, and it's really high in Ethereum. So if you don't like it, there's an option of changing it as well. But by default, it's going to be in Ethereum. So if you just signed up into it, then you guys are going to be using Ethereum network by default. So keep that in mind. Now, to add Polygon in Metamask, follow the step. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is open your Metamask wallet and go on where it says add token over here. And once you're over here where it says search token, you want to search for Matic. Now Polygon is also known as Matic, so don't get confused, alright? And click on the Matic network token over here and then click on where it says add token. Now once you do that, your Matic is added, in other words Polygon. So yeah, that's how easy it is to add Polygon to your, Metamask wallet. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.